So this is the equation we have obtained by cross multiplication. So let us simplify this equation. So in the first term, we'll use this formula. So we have sine A minus sine B. Sine A minus sine B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sine A minus B by 2. So the first term becomes A by 2A varum cos A plus B by 2. So here you will get theta 2 plus theta 1. Okay, 2 theta 1 plus 2 theta 1 by 2. So that becomes cos theta 1 plus theta 2 varum into sine A minus B from B by 2. So, 2 theta 2 minus 2 theta 1 by 2. So that will be theta 2 minus theta 1. So the first term can be simplified in that form. And let's look into the simplification of the second term. So second term you have 2a cos square theta 1 minus cos square theta 2. And this can be written as 2a cos theta 1 minus theta 2 into cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2. Now cos, this is in the form cos A minus cos B, that will be 2 sine theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 into sine theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2 varum and cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 will become cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2 into cos theta 2 minus theta 1 by 2. And again here you have 2 sine, this is in the form 2 sine A cos A, and here you have 2 sine A cos A, that will be equal to sine 2A. We will get 2A into sine theta 1 plus theta 2 and sine theta 2 minus theta 1. So that will be the simplified version of the second term. And similarly in the third term we will have C by, okay, let us look at the simplification of the third term. Third term will sine 2 theta 2 under sine 2 theta 1 under. It can be written as 2 sine theta 2 cos theta 2, and this can be written as 2 sine theta 1 cos theta 1. So from that you can take out 2 cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So remaining will be sine theta 2 minus theta 1. Okay. So that will be 2a square. Okay. So this will be cos square theta 1 into 2 sin theta 2 cos theta 2 minus cos square theta 2 into 2 sin theta 1 cos theta 1. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് cos theta 1 cos theta 2 രണ്ട് ടേമിലും കോമൺ ആണ്. Sorry, here I have 1 not c. So this will be equal to 1 by, so take outside 2 sin cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So we will get 4a square cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So remaining we will have sin theta 2 cos theta 1 minus sin theta 1 cos theta 2. So that will be sin theta 2 minus theta 1. So this is going to be the simplified form of third term. So that's what we will be getting. So we are having, let us write the terms once again. So we will get a by 2a cos theta 1 plus theta 2 sin theta 2 minus theta 1. So that will be equal to b by 2a sine theta 1 plus theta 2 into sine theta 2 minus theta 1, that will be equal to c by 4a square cos theta 1 cos theta 2 sine theta 2 minus theta 1. Sorry, this is 1. So therefore, upon solving, we are going to get a equal to cos theta 1 plus theta 2 sine theta 2 minus theta 1 will cancel out. So cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2a cos theta 1 cos theta 2, and b will be equal to sine theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2a cos theta 1 cos theta 2. So that is the value of a and b. Now let us substitute the value of a and b into the equation. We had 1 by r equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. So that will give 1 by r equal to cos theta into cos theta 1 plus theta 2 by 2a cos theta 1 cos theta 2 plus b യുടെ place sin theta 1 plus theta 2 into sin theta. The denominator is going to be the same. So that will be 2a cos theta 1 cos theta 2 equal to r times, now this is in the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, that will be equal to cos a minus b, so you can write it as cos theta minus theta 1 minus theta 2. So that will be the required equation. So we are asked to prove this. So this is the equation of the chord, just joining the points theta equal to theta 1 and theta equal to theta 2 on the circle r equal to 2a cos theta. And from here we will get one more case. So let's remark. So the tangent at theta equal to alpha on the circle r equal to 2a cos theta. So when you have a tangent at a point, so the tangent will touch the circle exactly at a point. So here your theta 1 and theta 2, that will be equal to angle alpha. So theta 1 equal to theta 2 equal to alpha. So we will get 2a cos square alpha will be equal to r cos theta minus 2 alpha. So that is going to be the equation of the tangent at theta equal to alpha on the circle r equal to 2a cos theta.